now we formally start the chapter. Usually the chapter starts with the definition and the concept building. Okay, since when you are learning some new things, so usually you have some definitions and the concepts over there. Okay, so first maybe there are some students who doesn't know what is a report. Okay, usually you submit reports to your teachers from day one, and and also those who are working in a like co-op training over there, they also submit report to their supervisors over there. Okay, but what is basically report is and why we need the report. Okay, since sometime you submit the report but you don't know the importance of that one, so we will see that what is the importance of that one and what are the different types of report. Okay, some reports are short, some are long, some are different, some are memos, some are letters. Okay, so different kinds of reports are there. Okay, so if before going into the technical thing or in the details or in the concepts, so I would like to ask what is a report in your mind? Can anyone just tell me what is a report or business report? Yes, yeah.
Maybe a report that contains graphs and tables related to the business you work in.
Yeah, graphs and tables. So graphs and tables, these are the byproducts. Byproducts mean this is the output of the report. Okay, so what is basically a report? Like why we need it? What is basically the purpose of report? For example, yeah, okay, so the end product will be like as you said that some charts and all these things. Okay, but if some kid asks you that what is a report, so what will be your answer? Yeah, Latifa says the written document that includes meaningful information, very good, about specific thing to keep on track, very good, okay, or to be updated. That's very like very easy and to the point. Well done, Latifa. Yeah, anyone else who want to tell about reporting?
Doctor, I think it's a business, it's a type of assignment to analyze a situation.
Analyze these situations. Very good. Yeah, this is also one kind of report. Very good. In business communication 1 and 2, like you heard about reports. So what was the concept developed at that time? Says that an evaluation of things related to the business. Okay, very good. Okay, right. So now we see that. Let's see what is formally report is. So it's a report is mathematically it's equal to the information. So in the report, what we get, we get information. Okay. So if a report is not giving information, can we call that as a report? Any report, okay, which is not giving you information, it's not that, that is the garbage value. So if you give your boss an report and which he could not understand, which he could not extract the information from that report, so it is not a report. Yeah, so Sarah says no. Yeah, okay, so it is not basically a report. Why? Because it is not giving information. So the basic purpose of report is to give informations over there. So it's to give what? So it's to give information. So report, the purpose of report is to give information, and after getting information, for example, you give report to your boss. Okay, boss got information. Okay, what is next? Means what your boss gonna do with that information, or your engineers, or your like statesman, or any person who gets the reports of any events or incident or any activity. Okay, so what will be the next step for that report we have it? For example, this is your report. Okay, so report is equal to the information we have. Okay, so when you get information, the next step is the decision. Okay, because you decide according to the report. Okay, for example, if a company, okay, if Almarai company, he gets the report that due to the hot weather nowadays in from like 21st of June to the 30th of June, it will be a very high hot weather, and the expiry date will be like, for example, usually it's like 4 days, okay, but due to the hot weather the milk gets expired in 2 days over there. So it is one of the report, okay, by any customer or by any representative of the Almarai, let's say, okay. So that report will go to the manager of Almarai, okay, and so Almarai manager will get some information over there, okay. So after the information, he gets the information, then he will make a decision, okay. So what decision he will make? What information he got from that report, okay, and what decision he will make? Can anyone just for yeah, Batul says to make a decision is suited to a specific situation. Yeah, it's okay. But in that case, that case study, like what will be the decision? Okay, in that case, for example, instead of 4 days, the expiry of the milk. Okay, if it expires in 2 days, so what will be the decision of a manager to save that process, to save their product over there? There must be a meeting call, okay, after that report is given by the representative from the market, okay. The marketing guys give back the report to the manager, okay, that we are having this problem, okay. The milk is getting expired in 2 days because of the hot weather in the June over there, okay. So what is the decision? Or either the, so in my point of view, if I am the manager over there, so I will make the expiry date 2 days, okay. After 2 days, because it's a health problem, okay. The FDA is gonna also take an action on that one, for Food and Drug Authority. So either I have to make the expiry days like lesser, 2 days, okay, or I can make like more preventive measures so that it could not like expire in 2 days, like we will keep like more temperature down, okay, in the carriers we have it in that, and we will not try to expose the milk to the sunlight. So there will be instruction, there will be some instruction or certain SOPs for the people as well who are like sales managers or sales carriers over there, okay, or van manager we call it. So this is kind of like a reporting. So reporting usually gives information, and that information is leading to the decisions over there. So this is the whole story of the reports. Okay. So what is a report? So a report is what is any communication. So is any communication artifacts. Okay. So it can be a short, long, or even just a one word. Okay. So like in intelligence companies, they just like communicate a single word in a coded word, but it is an artifact. It is just like it can be a piece of paper, or it can be like even the oral communication. It's also reporting. Even the news agencies, they're also reporting. They say that I am reporting from CNN. So it means if someone is reporting from CNN, even or the oral things become also a reporting over there. So any communication artifact prepared, okay, to convey what specific information. So now we understand that report is not only a document, so it's any communication artifact. So artifact can be like handwritten, it can be a voice note, or it can be a video note, because we are in the digital mode. Okay, so before it used to be only a paper base, but now it's not a paper base. Yes, we have like electronic things, we have a voice note, and we have videos, we have audios, we have images. Okay, so artifacts is like a very generic word. Okay, so this is a very skillfully selected word, artifact. So what do you call artifact in Arabic? Can anyone translate? Okay, so it's any communication artifact prepared to convey specific information. So a report can do many things. Okay, it has many functions over there. Maybe see over here. A report can like ensure proper departmental functioning. Okay, as I give example of any department function, how a department works, even your MIS department, finance department, okay, HR department, sales department, marketing department. So any department to ensure your process. So as I told you that reporting is for to ensure the processes over there, and to provide information. Okay, to provide the results of analysis. What is analysis being going on over there? To persuade others to act. Okay, so how the people can do action on that one, to persuade it to act over there, to create an organizational memory. This is a very important thing. Okay, see over here, this is very much important. Important that how to create organizational memory. Can anyone tell me what is an organizational memory? Yeah, this. Yeah.
I think it is related to any kind of historical data or information related to the business. Or
Okay.
like
You are near. Yeah, just explain it more, or anyone else. Usually, organizational memory means, for example, if you are keep providing reports to your company or your organizations, okay, so that reports becomes the archive, okay, archive of any organization, okay. So that archive becomes a memory for your organization. You can take help from that organizational memory. And for example, if you sometime after like 1 year or 2 years, if you have some problems, similar kind of problems, and you don't have a report from your end users over there, so what you gonna do it, okay, you gonna like for example, you're gonna check your organizational memory, what happened last 2 years, what happened last 5 years, okay. So like for example, in current pandemic, so we see what happened in Spanish flu in 1912, okay. So what the people did it, so usually if you saw it, people usually wear the mask. That was the solution, okay. Now people came to that mask as well, okay. So see, so that is a organizational memory. You take benefit from the practices which is being done in a past over there, okay. So organizational memory will help you to give more details um, about like some new things which comes and you don't have any information about it, okay. So it can also gonna help you. So this is a very important factor. That's the reason that we need to keep records of our previous transactions over there for learning, future learning, okay. This is called organizational memory. Is for what? It is for future learning over there.